Switching from a Redmi to an iPhone, transferring text messages can be tricky due to different operating systems, and some methods risk data loss. In this video, we'll show safe, easy ways to move your messages without losing anything. Part 1. Transfer text messages from Redmi to iPhone with phone transfer. Transferring messages from Android to iPhone is tricky. Use a desktop program, like Phone Transfer, to back up messages from both devices. Merge them. Then use eTools to move the combined messages to your iPhone. How to use Phone Transfer to move text messages from Redmi to iPhone. Step 1. Export SMS from Redmi and iPhone to your PC. First, download and install Phone Transfer on your computer. Connect both your Redmi phone and iPhone using USB cables. Set your Redmi phone as the source device. You'll see your files organized by category. Click on Messages to view your text messages. Wait for the software to load all your messages from the Redmi phone. Select the text you want to transfer, then click Export to PC. Choose CSV as the file format. Now, set your iPhone as the source device and repeat the same process to export your iPhone messages in CSV format. Step 2. Copy Redmi messages below iPhone messages in the CSV and save as a new file. Step 3. In eTools, go to Toolbox iTunes Backup or Restore Messages Sims DB. Then import from CSV to load the merged file. Part 2. Transfer messages from Redmi to iPhone via Move to iOS app. One easy way to transfer your text messages from a Redmi phone to an iPhone is by using Apple's Move to iOS app. This app makes it simple to transfer various data, including text messages, from your old Redmi to your new iPhone. On your iPhone, go to App and Data, move data from Android. On your Redmi, open Move to iOS. Tap Continue and Agree, then Next. Enter the iPhone's code on Redmi, select the data including messages, and tap Next to start transfer. Part 3. Transfer SMS from Redmi to iPhone using SMS Backup and Restore. On your Redmi, install the app, tap Backup, select text messages, choose a location, and tap Backup now. On your iPhone, add the same Gmail account to access the messages. Part 4. Manual methods to transfer text messages. Screenshots. Capture chats and email to yourself. Screen recording. Record long chats and transfer the video. Forward messages. Select and send messages via email or apps.